What is up? And today we don't have my dragon. I'm sorry about that. But we are going to be doing something today. And the intro is kind of boring, but now we're going to be seeing what some of my fidget spinners can spin longer. Right now I have my Batman one. Right now, these are the contestants. Sorry. Batman, gold, ninja star, regular, blue, and then American flag. Right now, I want you to put a comment down below and see who's going to win in 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, everybody. Let's see who's going to win. I'm just going to, first of all, try and set the camera up. Doesn't mean I don't like much. Okay, you know what? So, here we go. I'm gonna try. Let me do this. How do I? Okay, so I had to figure out how to do this and still no luck. So we're just going to place it there. I'm going to have them spin here. So I need you guys to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So guys, I'm going to be doing it all my time. I'm not really going to show all of my fidget spinners. In the following videos, if you want me to do anything, I can play Xbox up there. I can play the Call of... Yeah, I can really play. I think in my next video today, I'm going to be... What should I do? Oh, this is done. So that was 30 seconds as I counted. If I'm wrong, just put a comment. 30. Batman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There. That one was 32, I think. So, let's get this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, the Batman one was 20. This one is 10, 11, 14. In the lead is gold. What's the gold here? Then here comes Batman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, like 11. Yeah, American flag. Let's see if you can top 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I'm basically going to be doing the Xbox next video. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, now it's safe to say America has won. America has won, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all it for this video. Next video, we are going to be playing Call of Duty on the Xbox. See you later, guys.